quick video to show the way I work up my firewood. A couple of things I've done to make it a lot easier when you're working by yourself. You're a one-man band and you have limited amount of equipment that you're working with. Let me get it turned around here and I'll show you some of the things I've got going on. There's some of the split wood that we've worked on. What I've done is I put me up a carport, portable carport, put it over my area here that I wanted to work, get me out of the direct sun, out of the heat, the rain. Here's the splitter that I use. I have taken some railroad ties, brought my splitter up a little bit. Takes a lot of the bend out of the back when you're sitting here working for hours at a time. Just takes some of the strain off. What I really wanted to show you was this table that I built. Built this just out of necessity more than anything, were my idea and the reason for it being. Like I said earlier, I worked by myself, and the large rounds were really hard for me to get up to my splitter. I was having to split the rounds on the ground, then try to bring them over to the splitter. So what I've done is I took some of the cross ties, cut those for legs, just built this table. It's built out of 2x4s, and on the outside walls there, you can see there, I've got 1x6 decking boards. And there's an angle, slight angle, so when you do load the table, gravity will bring everything to the splitter, just making life a little easier, to save a few steps along the way, and to really help save on the back. I had these tripods for years, these metal tripods, so I thought, well, I need a way to pick those rounds up. Set up the tripods, picked up the chain hoist, set of log tongs. Now I can work the big rounds by myself, no problems. Don't know exactly how big I could go. I can go bigger than what my machine can handle, but it works pretty good. Actually, I drop my tongs down, I pick it up, I lay it on the table. Here you can see the slight angle. You can also see on the right side there the board that I've got higher, keeps your rounds from going off the side of the table. But you can see the angle. Gravity will feed it right down to the splitter. I can take a big round, get on the splitter right there, split it down to what I need to work with, lay the rest of it back towards the table. Don't have to pick it up, just push, pull, roll. No actual picking up involved once you get it up in the air. And just thought it worked out pretty good for me. Didn't know if this may help someone that's on a real limited budget, or just physically have some problems that they'd like to work in some wood. Well, this is just one way to help make life a little easier for you. And another thing I was going to show you right here, I've got quite a few of those railroad ties. A good friend of mine gave these to me, and I've got quite a few uses that I'm planning on putting these to. They'll be in future videos. I'll try to show everything as I go. I've got a lot of things on my mind that I can use these for. But never turn away railroad ties if you get offered. But again, here's an overview of my little woodworking station. Just makes life a little easier. Don't have a big investment in equipment. Very minimal investment to build a table like this, and the benefits are just great compared to the investment. The reward is really worth putting the little bit of time it takes to build it. Let me get you turned back here. Video, I hope you found it helpful. Nothing else, found it entertaining. I just wanted to show the way I do this to make life easier for me to be able to handle the larger rounds, still make my firewood, keep things moving. You know what to do as far as hitting the buttons if you liked this and enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.